Lucas Radishoni from Santa Fe, Texas. I've had the car for about 3 years. It's a 1923 T-Bucket rat rod. It's got a 383 stroker motor, 671 blower, pushing about 715 rear tire.
Powers. I got a 32 Ford, 5-window coupe, 383 stroker, built by Houston Engineering and Balancing, Peak Jakes chassis, Ford 9-inch, tubular frame. All the undercarriage is painted by Frank Milburn out of Pasadena.
My name's Dennis Flello. I have this 1964 21-window microbus. I've had it a couple of years now, built by West Coast Customs, and full details on it. 1600 engine in it. Okay, the upholstery is done by West Coast Customs, and the paint job was restoration with Corey Smith, all out of California, Costa Mesa, California.